નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Students, now to continue our revision worksheet solution for the chapter number 5. Now to the next questions is the question number 5. So in question number 5, where will the hand of a clock stop if it? It means where the second hand is the stop it. The starting point is the given. Now stopping is means ending. Which one? We have to find. So let's start in the first one. So start at one end, make 1/4 of rotation. It means we have to draw first of all one clock. Here is 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. Okay. Now starting to 1 and do 1/4 of the rotation. So 1/4 it means, so 1/4 it means 90 degree. 1/4 it means the 90 degree. So in 90 degree how many? Total 3 distance. Yes. So it means 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. It means the end point, it means the stop point is the 4th. It means here is the 1 to 4. 1/4 rotation, it means 1 to 4. So this one is the 90 degree. This one is the 90 degree. Okay? Understand? Same for then the second one. So again draw one clock. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. So here the first of all starting at 2, 5 and the 1/2 rotation. So 1/2 it means, so 1/2 it means the 180 degree, and 180 degrees is a straight line. 180 degrees means draw one straight line. So in 90 the total 3 distance. So 180 means total 6. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It means ending is the 11. It means 5 to 11. 5 to 11. So our answer is 5 to 11 in the second question answer. Understand? Third one. So in the third questions again draw 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. This one is the third one. This one. Starting at the 3, it means here. This one is to start at. In the 3/4 rotation, what do you mean by 3/4? The 3/4 it means 270 degree. 3/4 it means 270 degree. If the 90 it means 3 distance, 1, 2 and 3. 180 it means 6 distance. So 270 it means total 9 distance. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It means 3 to start and the end is to 12 hands. It means 3 to 12. 3 to 12 it means 3/4 of the rotation. 5 to 11 it means 1/2 of rotation, and 1 to 4 it means 1/4 of the rotation. So understand the question number 5. Okay. Now the next question is the question number 6. In these questions write the type of angle when the hour hand of a clock. Now in this question we have to write the types of angle and which type of the angle is. So first of all make a 1/4 of the rotation. The 1/4 of the rotation is means which type of the angle. So 1/4 is the 90 degree. It means 90 degree is called a right angle. So in this question answer is right angle. Types of the angle is right angle. Okay. Second one, less than 1/4 of the rotation. So first of all 1/4 of the rotation is means here is 1/4. 1/4 rotation is means 90 degree. So 90 degree to less. So 90 degree to less is means which type of angle? Acute angle. Why? Because in acute angle is then less than 90 degree. So our second question answer is acute angle. So in this question answer acute angle. Okay. Same for the third one. More than 1/4 but less than 1/2 of rotation. It means more than 1/4 this means 90 and 1/2 is means 180. It means more than 90 but less than 180. So more than 90 and less than 180 it means obtuse angle. Which type of the angles? Obtuse angle. Why? Because in obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So our third question answer is the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So understands, dear students, the question number 6, types of the angle. Okay. Now the next questions is the question number 7. Observe the triangle and write the types of each triangle. First of all, observe the given triangle and write the types of triangle. Which type of the triangle is. So first of all, in the first triangle C, all the sides are same, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Right? So 3 centimeter is called which type of the triangle? So it's a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Right? And one more. Equilateral triangle is okay, but another names in this triangle. So here another names, you have to draw a straight line and this one is the 90 degree. So 90 degree to less, it means second name is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. One name is equilateral triangle and second name is acute angle triangle. Okay. Same for the second one. The second one is 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. It means these two sides are same. If any triangle is given two sides are same, it's called which type of the triangle? Isosceles triangle. Which type of the triangle? Isosceles triangle. Write down the name. Isosceles triangle. This one is one name. Now another name of this triangle. Another name of this triangle. So here also, if you are to draw here, this one is the 90 degree straight line. This one is 90 degree. So 90 degree to less, it means this one is also for the another name is the acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Right? Understand the two types of the triangle, two types name of this triangle. Now the last one, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. And here is the given one sign. So which type of this sign? This one is the right angle sign. It means this angle is the right angle triangle. So write down the first one. Right angle triangle. And the second name is in this triangle the two sides are same. Two sides are same. Then two sides are same is the which type of the triangle? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So understand, dear students, the question number 5, 6 and 7, types of the triangle. See the equilateral triangle, acute triangle, isosceles triangle, acute triangle, right angle triangle, because this one is the right angle sign, so this one is the right angle triangle, and the another name is the two sides are same, two sides are same is called the isosceles triangle. So okay. Now our next questions is question number 8. What type of quadrilateral am I? Now we have two properties is given of this quadrilateral. See the given the questions, remember your properties and write down the name of the quadrilateral. So the first one is the all sides are equal. Now in the which type of the quadrilateral all the sides are equal? So here is the two quadrilateral is the equal side. Square and rhombus. Now the what is the answer? Square or rhombus? So answer is rhombus. So आप लोग पूछेंगे square क्यों नहीं? The square is also all the sides are equal, but in square ऑल द एंगल्स आर 90 डिग्री, इसमें राइट एंगल, जो हमें यहाँ पे नहीं दिया गया है। स्क्वायर में क्या होता है, ऑल द साइड्स सेम ही होती और उसके ऑल एंगल भी 90 डिग्री के होते। दिस वन इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ स्क्वायर, राइट, बट हियर ओनली ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल, ऑल sides are equal. So it means the right answer of this question is rhombus. Okay, understand? Next one is the both the pair of my opposite sides are equal and each angle is the right angle. Opposite sides are equal and each angle are right angle. Now the which type of the quadrilateral? जिसमें opposite side same हो और सभी angle right angle हो. So this one is only and only one quadrilateral. This quadrilateral name is the rectangle. Which type of the name is rectangle? See here, dear students. Here is given each angle is the right angle. So our answer is rectangle. If both the pair of my opposite sides are equal, इतना ही दिया गया होता तो then our answer is parallelogram. Okay? But here is given each angle is a right angle, then our answer is rectangle. Understand? Third one, only one pair of my opposite sides are parallel. Only one pair is the opposite sides are parallel. Now which type of the quadrilateral? And this quadrilateral name is the trapezium. Which types of the name is a trapezium? Okay? And this quadrilateral name is the trapezium. So now the next question is the question number 9. Write the shape of the following. Here is the given some name in the write the shape of this. So first of all, bricks. Which type of the shape in bricks? So in brick shape is the cuboid, right? ब्रिक्स का शेप कितना होता है, क्यूबॉइड. ओके, देन आफ्टर द रोड रोलर, रोड रोलर उसका शेप कैसा होता है, तो रोड रोलर का शेप होता है सिलेंडर, सिलेंडर जैसा होता है वो. देन आफ्टर लड्डू, गोल होता है ना, उसका शेप स्फीयर, spear. Then after book, so book, this one is also for the cuboid shape. Then after dice, all the sides are same, it means the cube, dice shape is cube. Then after football, the football round shape, the round shape is means sphere. So this all are is three-dimensional name. Cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cube. Okay? So understand the question number 9 and these are questions, types of the quadrilateral and the shape of. Okay? So check your answer. If you have to write in your book, if your answer is wrong, then correct answer you have to write in your extra book, fair book or another books. You have to write any books too. Okay?
Thank you for joining us.